Make a great choice today with the 2024 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, bed liner, stability control, tire pressure monitor, engine immobilizer, 4-wheel disc brakes, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.